बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू दी कैरियर लर्निंग विद एनडी। जी व्यूअर्स, आज हम आपके सामने एक नए टॉपिक के साथ हाज़िर हैं। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। आज हम ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ये कैसे प्रोसेस होता है और इसमें क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स और पार्ट्स होते हैं और इनका जो फंक्शन होता है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो सब ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में सबसे पहली बात आ जाती है कि डाइजेशन। डाइजेशन आपको पता है कि व्हेन फूड पार्टिकल्स आर ब्रेकिंग डाउन इनटू सिंपल एंड डिफ्यूजिबल मॉलिक्यूल्स, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डाइजेशन। जब फूड पार्टिकल्स सिंपल और डिफ्यूजिबल मॉलिक्यूल्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं तो उसको डाइजेशन कहते हैं। और डाइजेशन जो है वो बेसिकली टू टाइप्स की होती है। वन इज़ फिजिकल डाइजेशन, and other one is chemical digestion. Physical digestion, when food particles are converted into simple molecules, that is physical digestion. It starts from the mouth where the mechanical and physical digestion is started. Food particles convert into simple molecules, that is physical digestion. And chemical digestions, when enzymes act on the food and food is converted into simple molecules, that is chemical digestions. Enzymes acts on food. So digestion have two types, that is physical digestions and chemical digestions. Food particles convert into simple molecules, that is physical digestion, which is also called mechanical digestions. And other one is chemical digestions, when enzymes acts on the food and it is converted into simple molecule, that is chemical digestions. तो ये थी डाइजेशन। अब हम इनके जो स्टेप्स हैं डाइजेशन के वो पढ़ेंगे, जो है 5 स्टेप्स। 5 स्टेप्स ऑफ डाइजेशन। तो सबसे पहले आ जाता है इंजेशन। इंजेशन का मतलब है व्हेन वी टेक फूड इनसाइड आवर माउथ, taking of food. Next one is digestion. As you already know that digestion is the process of breaking down of molecules into smaller pieces. Food convert into smaller pieces. Third one is absorption. When food is digested and absorption is started. Absorption is the process of diffusible food goes to the blood stream. Diffusible food into blood stream. Fourth one is utilization. Utilization formation of cell and growth of cell. Number fifth one, last one is egestion. Egestion is undigested food removed through anus. There are two groups of organs included in the digestions. They are two groups of organs. That is, one is alimentary canal, started from mouth to anus. Second one is accessory organs, that are accessory organs, which are liver, gallbladder and pancreas. These two groups of organs included in human digestive system. We discussed about the components of digestive system which play their role in the digestion process. First of all, we discussed about the mouth. Mouth is an organ where physical and chemical digestion occurs. Physical and chemical digestion. When food is chewed by teeth and crushing, it is converted into smaller molecules, that is physical. And when food particles mixed with saliva is secreted by the mouth, that is chemical digestion. Saliva secreted by mouth. So when food becomes bolus into semi-solid structure, bolus is propelled to the esophagus. Esophagus has pharynx and larynx. One is food pipe, other one is windpipe. Esophagus propelled food through the pharynx and larynx. Larynx has a part of that is epiglottis, which stop the food enters into the windpipe, and slowly the bolus food goes to the stomach, and stomach started the digestion, which releases the gastric juices like hydrochloric acid, water and enzyme. Stomach is also called J-shaped structure. Muscular organ. For a small intestine is a narrow tube-like structure that is about 6 meters long. When food chyme reached at the small intestine from the stomach, small intestine received the bile from gallbladder and pancreatic juice from pancreas, where digestion completely occurs and diffusible particles of the food goes to the blood stream through a narrow small capillary tube. After that, the large intestine is also part of the digestion, where a part rectum, then anus. Large intestine receives the non-diffusible food from the small intestine, and non-diffusible food reach into the last part of the digestion, that is rectum, and then removed from the body through the anus. Noted that bile is secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder, and pancreatic juices also digested the proteins, fats and carbohydrates. So this is the complete process of digestion of human beings.